Good morning, Noah's Ark. So this is what they worked on yesterday. Right there is where they had all that dirt. What they did is they came in here and they cut out a block of concrete and took apart my path. And then they dug that hole way down deep inside of there. And they dug that hole all the way out to the street. We'll walk on it. It was 14 feet down. And all the way to here. And that goes straight into my house. There's that where that pipe is that they put in there. They went underneath the sidewalk. And then it goes right here. And right underneath the steps, it goes into my house. I'm gonna do another video, I think either tomorrow or Thursday, because they're gonna come back out and they're gonna pour fresh concrete right here. And then they're gonna pour asphalt onto the road, which is that black tar stuff that we drive on. I love you guys. There are gonna be more videos to come. Stay tuned.